To remove a PHM, remove the top cover. Use a Phillips head or standard screwdriver to rotate the cover lock counterclockwise to the unlocked position. Press the release button on the cover latch and then lift up to disengage the top cover from the chassis restraining clips. Lift the top cover straight up to remove it from the chassis. Remove all the 4U PCIe riser assemblies and fillers that are installed in the PCIe expansion tray. Grasp the handle of the PCIe expansion tray, then rotate it upward to the vertical position. Grasp the handle with one of your hands, with the other hand grasping the 4U PCIe expansion tray lift point. Grasp the handle by the blue touch point, then lift the tray out of the server. The server may be equipped with 4 processor heatsink modules, also referred to as PHMs. Up to 2 PHMs on the processor memory expansion tray, and up to 2 PHMs on the system board. To remove a PHM on the system board, slightly slide the upper power supply number 2 out from the power supply bay. Grasp the processor and memory expansion tray handle by the blue touch point and rotate the handle straight up to lift the expansion tray out of the chassis. To remove a processor and heatsink module, you'll need a Torx T30 screwdriver. Fully loosen the numbered captive fasteners on a processor heatsink module in the removal sequence shown on the heatsink label. Loosen fastener number 4, then 3, 2, and then 1. Carefully lift the processor heatsink module straight up from the processor socket. Locate the pry notch and disconnect the nearest retainer clip. Place a standard head screwdriver into the notch near the clip and carefully twist the screwdriver counterclockwise to loosen the retainer from the heatsink. Disconnect the remaining clips in counterclockwise order. Grasp the retainer by the edges and lift straight up to separate the CPU and retainer from the heatsink. Leave the CPU in the retainer and place it in the appropriate electrostatic protective packaging. If the CPU or heatsink are going to be reused, use an approved wipe to clean the thermal grease from the part.